Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. I promised you the cutest unboxing in the world. So shall we do this? Hold on to your what's-its! Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, go down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell, give the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to leave me comments because I love chatting to you. Yeah, so promises were made. Promises are about to be fulfilled. I have held off. I'm really quite nervous now. I've held off opening this. It is a Saturday. I'm filming this on a Saturday. This arrived on the Monday. Not the Monday just gone, but the Monday before. So this is kind of my last chance to open it. Yeah, super excited about this. What do you think of the standing up element? What have they done in here? Look, okay, well there you go. You can see it's Louis Vuitton. And it's a little thing, and wow, I'm gonna mash this box trying to get it out. Oh, it's cute. I've got the ribbon, I've got the receipt is back in this. Oh, just a plain bit of paper there instead of, oh not instead of, as well as the little gifty card thing. Thank you for shopping at Louis, and my, oh, they've extended it to 30 days instead of 14, and just an exchanges and returns thing. So no actual receipt. I mean, it was emailed to me. Was it emailed to me? It was emailed to me and I can access it, but yeah, not even the funny little till receipt is in here. But, so that's the gubbins. That's not what we're interested in. I'm past caring. Now I'm past caring. I just want to get in. Just want to get in and see it. We're in. We're nearly in. These drawers are so difficult to open sometimes. Hashtag first world problems. Excited, nervous, all the things. What do you think it is? Oh. It's the teeny tiny tiger. It is the precious tiger charm from this year's Lunar collection. On the back it is pink leather. Is that rose ballerine? It's got Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, stamped on the back. It has got the key ring, and you've got your lobster clasp. There he is with his little, looks like the petite malle. No, maybe he's on a little trunk. He's protecting a little trunk, and it's got the monogram on the trunk. It's got the gold hardware. He's got the most beautiful little blue, crystal blue eyes, and he's a little tiger. Oh my god. The glazing all looks good. He's adorable. Absolutely adorable. So he was on my wish list, my 2022 luxury wish list, which I'll have linked down below so you can see what other goodies were on there. But there were misgivings. There were misgivings on there because he was 335 Great British pounds, which is a lot for basically a bag charm, because I'm not going to put keys on it. It's a bag charm. It's to look pretty. It's a lot of money. When it popped up, he was available. I missed it. He was unavailable. Then he popped up. He was available again. I went and I spoke to the line and said, look, I am I'm in turmoil here. He is adorable, he's cute, he's beautiful. I would love to have him. But he's 335 quid. I can't justify that. And he said, I'll buy it for you, babe. He didn't say it exactly like that, but he was like, I'll buy it for you. That way it's a gift, and it's something that you wouldn't have spent money on for yourself, but it's a gift and you get to have him, and he is beautiful. And he agreed that he was adorable and his eyes were amazing and that we should probably have him in the family.
I don't think I said it out loud. I'm coming into town with you.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Is that alright?
Yes, it's alright. Are you sure about that?
Why? What do you mean? Am I sure about that?
You know what I'm like in town.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, cool. That's exciting. If you are unaware, my history with bag charms, my Louis Vuitton bag charms, because they're pretty much the only ones I have, apart from dress up your purse bag charms, is that they annoy me. They tend to flip around on whatever it is, but I can see there's one loop between the lobster clasp and him. So let's stick with the animal theme, and this is one of my other Louis Vuitton. Oh no, that one is only one as well. It looks a lot bigger. This one, oh, it's the lobster that twists. Right, of course, that's all plasticed up. Forget everything I just said. But these ones really annoy me. See, it's doing it all by itself. They really annoy me. If that was kind of fixed and then it just moved like that, wouldn't be a problem. But so I don't actually use these bag charms. And I probably just need to sell them because I don't use them. They are beautiful and I love how they look on bags. They just annoy me. Really, really hoping he doesn't annoy me. In actual fact, represents our beloved little tiger, Izzy Cat, who we lost in 2020. And a few months later we were able to rescue the girls from the rescue centre. But she was a tiny little tiger. She never once let her diminutive stature get in the way of getting into a scrap, climbing the tallest tree, doing any of those things. Now she did have bright green eyes, beautiful bright green eyes, and he's got blue eyes. Actually, I'm going to call him a he because he just screams he to me, but he represents our beautiful little Izzy Cat. Mama.
What do you want? Is it this? Is it?
Is that good, Izzy? Is that good?
What do you want? Look at that shape.
I know, quivering with anticipation.
Would you like another one?
I've just found the paperwork. I thought, well, I'll take out the plastic of whatever was in here. And it was just this plain envelope with a returns label. It's a good thing I checked because it wasn't inside the box. I'd never have known where to look. And yes, there is the receipty thing. Just says gift receipt, precious tiger, bag charm and key holder, associate web, the date that it was ordered, and the reference number, which if you want to look him up, I will have him linked down below, is M for Mama 00557. I'm going to take this plastic bit off and we'll see if it... Okay, it has the potential to spin and annoy me. Let's see what he looks like on a bag. So the obvious choice would be to pop him on a monogram Louis Vuitton bag. Oh gosh, he looks so cute. Now, you know I don't actually use this bag and I'm probably going to sell it, but I think he does look really, really cute up against the monogram. The gold hardware on the trunk picks out the monogram print on here, and I just think he's complementary tones. Oranges and browns and golds, that kind of thing. Complementary tones, that's what I'm looking for. So that's what he looks like on my Neo Noe. This is what he looks like on my pochette accessoire. So a little bit lower than the bag there, but once you've got a strap on it and you're carrying it or wearing it, there you go, that's what he would look like on that. Would I wear him on this one? Would I wear him on this one? Would I wear him on this bag at all? It remains to be seen. Okay, this is where he has a chance to shine. Doesn't he look marvellous on my vintage sac tricot? Those colours are perfect together, absolutely perfect together. And I see him actually being a display piece. He'll be up on my shelves somewhere, not tucked away in a drawer being unused and unloved. Oh yeah, these double ones do a double flip. I've got a whole video about my Louis Vuitton canvas bag charm collection. I will link that down below. If you want to watch a middle-aged woman have a slight rant and rave about first world issues. So there, that's what he looks like. How gorgeous! So the thing about all my other bag charms is they're pretty much overtly Louis Vuitton. They've all got massive LVs on them, so it's like, oh right, okay, so that's Louis Vuitton, is it? And it stops me from using them on any bag that isn't actually a Louis Vuitton bag, because I just can't, my brain can't cope with the idea of carrying a Louis Vuitton bag charm on a not Louis Vuitton bag. However, because he is quite subtle, and the only real Louis bit of it is the teeny tiny monogram on the trunk that you'd have to get quite close to notice, maybe I would actually carry him on other bags, like my beautiful calfskin Alexander McQueen satchel bag. I mean, this is a big bad boy, but doesn't he look good? Yes, because the bag is quite plain and simple. It has this handy little, I think it's for sunglasses, to pop your glasses on, D-ring. But yes, he gives a little va-va-voom. Oh my gosh, he is beautiful. He has to be visible. He has to be visible. So there you go, I promised you the cutest unboxing in the world, the cutest Louis Vuitton unboxing in the world, and I think I delivered. He is so cute. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please show it the thumbs up love. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this cute little tiny teeny tiny tiger, precious tiger unboxing. Rawr. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!